My paper is on overview of beneficiation of manganese ores with particular reference to treatment of low-grade ore of Vijayanagar district of Andhra Pradesh. This is based on as a prelude, I would like to describe the distribution of manganese ore in India. That is mainly three areas that are associated. This is deposit associated with Khandalite rocks found in Srikakulam district, Andhra Pradesh, and in Kalahandi and Koraput district of Odisha. Then deposit associated with iron ore bearing rocks found in Karnataka state and Sandhu state, as Yellapur deposit in North Kannada and Chitrakuta, Shimoga belt and Supadanchali area of North Kannada. Then deposit associated with limestone dolomite which occur in Sausal manganese belt. As you know, this all India total resource is 378 million ton, out of which Odisha and Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Goa they are following. And user specification in general is steel plant 30 to 38% Mn and ferromanganese 40 to 46. But changing scenario, this ferromanganese they are also reducing their specification. I mean necessity is further fall invention. So why we need a beneficiation? Most of the ores occurring in are low grade, that is mostly 20 to 35%. So they are not directly saleable as such. Most of the area high grade ores are depleted. So they need to do some beneficiation, some sorting, ore sorting. From mine phase, actually, in general, all the manual mines, what they do physical sorting, followed by some skinning by rotary skin of plus 10 mm and minus 10 mm. Plus 10 mm consider saleable for them, and minus 10 mm they just take it separately. So in case number one, such a mine was taken in which this only skinning is done. There we found that we took a sample directly from the mine phase. About 500 kilo sample were collected. They were subjected to coning quartering, followed by skinning by this 10 mm. And it was found that this plus 10 mm is 55%. In general, this 55% recovery factor is taken for resource assessment in that area also. In the case number two, when movable rotary skins are kept for skinning, breaking, skinning, sorting done manually, then iron was sorted manually. Iron consists of about 100 plus 100 mm size, 5%, 40 to 100 mm size, minus 10%, 10 to 40 mm 20%, then 0 to 10 mm 65%, plus 100 mm size mineral broken manually and made saleable. After initial sorting, all the low grade ores 15% Mn are subjected to further beneficiation. Further beneficiation includes one ground hopper, followed by belt conveyor, crusher, then rotary skin, then washing and skinning, followed up by manual sorting and jigging unit. This after this beneficiation, particularly this mines is benefited by using plus 5 minus 40 size with 20% or more manganese used for manufacturing of manganese oxide. This particular mines has a manganese oxide unit also. Plus 40 mm size with 20 to 24 mm used for domestic sale, and minus 5 size and collection from tailing pond used for manufacturing of manganese sinter. As you can see, this tailing pond, they are also again reused. They are fit to sintering plant, and they are being used directly for this manufacturing of manganese alloys. Then percentage recovery by size. This plus 40 mm size, crossing was done after washing, skinning. 10 to 40 mm, 60% weight recovery there, and 5 to 10 mm, 25%, 1 to 5 mm, 10%, minus 5 mm, 5%. In case of minus 40 mm size, this 5 to 10 mm is 40%, 1 to 5 mm, 50%, and minus 1 mm is 10%. As you can see, it's about 20% in general, minus 5 mm is generated. But that again is used after sintering. Then we can see the percentage recovery by grade. When your feed grade is 25 to 30, 35% is this 30% grade is 15% by weight. Then 30 to 38% Mn grade is 20%, 25 to 30% is 40%, and 20 to 25% Mn is 15%, and below 20% is only 10%. So 10 in this process only 10% is final, you can say telling, you can say. Then 20 to 21 feed grade, plus 35% Mn is only 5% by weight, 30 to 38% is 10% by weight, and 25 to 30% 20%, 20 to 25 is 40%, and finally this the 25% size is there, but I mean 20%. When manganese sinter plant, this mine says it is followed by ground hopper, belt conveyor, raw material storage bin, and the storage bin in this storage bin actually on the nodalizer is there, where this also equipped with pollution control equipment, and followed by rotary skin. Next. What is this process description? Manganese ore of below 5 mm size, particularly which is otherwise considered waste previously, less than 20% mm. This is fed to this bin with along with coke fines and return center feed to ground hopper, and passes with conveyor system to concerned storage bins. Then material taken in required ratio through weight readers, fed to raw mill for grinding into 180 mess, which is called raw mix. These raw mix are conveyed through conveying system to nodalizer with small amount of water is sprinkled. These green noodles fed to vertical shaft kiln. Actually, this shaft kiln, this person had a ceramic unit, and he has converted it into this burning unit for sintering. So the next stage it is roasted or passes to discharge gate and the floss by vessel. By this weight loss is 12% and this weight is 4%. Next slide please. And oxide flowed also similarly, ground hopper, conveyor, crusher, followed by jigging unit and manganese oxide booty is there. Next slide please. Half of this process, manganese oxide booty are filled with ricer sauce and waste used for ignition purpose. And in this process, about 15% loss of weight with the grade indicator about 6 to 8%.